So, in recent events, Floyd Mayweather literally made it rain on Conor McGregor. Note that they were just $1 bills, but literally made it rain on Conor McGregor. What do you do in this? What do you do in this situation? I mean, Conor's already shirtless in a robe, getting rained on by money. You can't. I'm sorry. There's nothing you can say. Like, Conor probably did the best thing. Just sit there. Just take that L. Take that L. So, in recent events, Floyd Mayweather literally made it rain on Conor McGregor.